Hey, Avatar Aang. I really gotta check in on Zuko. Huh? Oh, yeah, what's up? I've been meaning to talk to you. Oh, yeah, what's up? What's going on? You know, me and some of the female Acolyte members, we've been trying to figure out, like, just why haven't you been more fruitful and multiplying when it comes to your children since we need to rebuild the Air Nation? Well, you know, as you understand, I don't want to betray Katara. That's why I don't do that. I see. No, I don't think it's necessary. I respect you, Aang, but I don't think that's gonna work for us. You know what? Why are you bloodbending? Okay. Ladies, prepare yourselves. I got it.
I can't wait to have this baby.
Forgive me. Okay. I got it, ladies. Okay, ladies.
Me first.
Oh no, yo,
Please,
oh
you
no,
won.
you sucker tried to play me, but you never paid me.